Hi, I'm Darry Franz, and let's see today how to make a pencil sketch from photo in Photoshop. So this is our image, our photo, and let's do it. Firstly, let's make a copy of our layer. Now, this is our background copy and we have to remove the colors. Go to Image, Adjustments and Desaturate. Okay, our new layer is desaturated and let's do copy of it by clicking left click of mouse. We do drag and drop over the icon, create new layer. Okay, this is our new copy. And now go to Image, Adjustments and let's invert. Okay, now on this level let's change normal to color dodge. It looks like our image disappeared and the screen is white. Don't worry, just go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. And now by sliding this slide you can choose the position necessary for you, desired position. To see, I think maybe this one is good for me. Okay, press OK, and actually you have your pencil sketch. It can be like this, but what will I do? I will go to Levels and by sliding this slide I will do my picture a little bit more saturated. I think this is good. Okay, that's it, and you can save your picture, pencil drawing, and thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!